Hey there, Divya. Thank you for asking us about the classic and elegant Movado Bold collection. All of the watches in this collection are minimal yet have a bold and dynamic look. First up is the Movado Bold round blue watch for women. This timepiece has mineral glass crystal, an exquisite blue dial, and an analog dial type. The quartz movement makes this watch precise and super accurate. This watch also has 30-meter water resistance, two-hand functionality, and a stainless steel case, making it versatile and fit for everyday wear. The ceramic strap adds to its beauty and makes this watch a must-have. Next is the Movado Bold round gold watch for men. Amaze everyone around you with this watch having a mineral glass crystal that protects the rose gold round dial. The silicone strap comes in a black hue that further elevates the look of the timekeeper. Besides, it is completed with a buckle clasp and 50-meter water resistance to ensure a secure fit on the wrist and damage protection on an everyday basis. Last, we have the Movado Bold round black watch for men. This beautiful watch has mineral glass, genuine leather strap, a stainless steel case adding to its functionality and durability. It has 30-meter water resistance, quartz movement, a minimal look, and an analog dial.